afternoon. Welcome to Daily Stock Market Update. The DSX slipped back to the red zone today, losing 30.10 points or 0.46% and settled at 6,555 points. Market turnover was BDT 3.94 billion, which is a decrease of 25.62% compared to the previous trading day. Walton, Beximco, BSRM Steels and GPH Ishpat from the industrial sector, Paramount Textile, Tamich Textile, and Inver Textiles from the textile sector, and Beximco and Square and Orion Pharma from the pharmaceutical sector mainly dragged the market down today. In terms of sector-wise return, the telecom sector registered the highest gain of 0.52%, while the food and allied sector posted the second highest gain of 0.05%. On the other hand, the life insurance sector registered the highest loss of 1.28%. 4 industrial companies, 3 food and allied companies, 3 pharma companies, and 3 textile companies were among the top 20 losers today. GMI Hospitals, Requisite, Megnapet Industries, Market and Insurance registered the highest gain, while Beximco Pharmaceuticals, Rainwick, Jatnesha, and Bangladesh Finance were the top losers. Investors may have exerted buying pressure on Market and Insurance and Megnapet Industries as they are going to have their Board of Directors meeting on 20th and 26th April, respectively, where their earnings will be disclosed. Rainwick Jatnesha is scheduled to have its Board of Directors meeting on 20th April, and investors' low earnings expectation may have caused the stock price to decline. Bangladesh Finance declared yesterday that it received an AA credit rating in the long term and ST1 in the short term. There was no disclosed price-sensitive information for the remaining stocks. The trading volume of Prime Bank, the Citibank and Jamuna Bank increased significantly today compared to the average trading volume of the last 3 months. There was no publicly disclosed fundamental reason for the volume increase for the above-mentioned stocks. Today's top 2 news. Bangladesh is still lagging behind in ensuring that it retains its duty preferences with its trading partners after its graduation from its least developed country status in 2026. In order to retain its duty-free benefits, the government is trying to sign free trade agreements and preferential trade agreements with its major trading partners. Shifting work orders from China and crisis-hit Myanmar has helped Bangladesh achieve significant growth amid the pandemic. In addition, duty-free benefits have helped Bangladesh increase its share to 6.8% in the global apparel market. However, inadequate preparations for the post-graduation era can cause tremendous loss, as it is at risk of losing around 10% to 20% of its markets with the cessation of duty preferences. Bangladesh clocked in a cumulative export growth of 29% of Russia, Ukraine, Belarus, and Poland year-on-year in March 2022 amid the Russian-Ukraine war and some of Russian banks' exclusion from the global payment system. Using alternative routes and payment channels have helped Bangladesh in this growth. Meanwhile, Bangladesh's export to Russia declined by around 63% and export to Ukraine fell by around 95% year-on-year in March 2022, while export growth to Poland remained healthy at 84.06%. If the Russia-Ukraine war continues, an adverse effect on the European economy may hurt Bangladesh's export in the coming days. That's all for today. We will be back again tomorrow with more updates on Dhaka Stock Exchange. Follow LR Global on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.